Hey everyone, this is Erik with ErikBurton.com. I hope you're having a wonderful day. This is one digital asset that I have started that I am so excited about because of the daily checks that I'm starting to receive. Now, my mentor connected me to this, and he's a multimillionaire, and I usually listen to those type of people because they acquire digital assets to become multimillionaires. I want to do the same thing. Well, people are earning $100 multiple times per day. I've actually gotten 2 checks in one day, and I've consistently got 1 check every day or every other day, and I've just barely even started this. Okay, and it's a very simple business. All you have to do is click on the link in the description below, and you can follow the little simple process. If you do decide to join my team, okay, what I do is I put your affiliate link into a rotator, and I do it as a team, and I own the domain JobOpp.Info. Okay, so when I put it into a rotator, it actually is going to help everyone because I'm promoting JobOpp.Info all the time. Okay. So once it goes into that rotator, I don't really care if any of my team members get a person that signs up under them because I still earn a commission as well. And I want the same for you as well. So you earn $100 commissions like it says here. It says it a little bit down here, a little ways. And don't worry about it. When you click on the link in the description below, you'll be able to come to this website eventually. It'll give you the details and everything. But yeah, $100 per sale, and then I believe it's a $50. Yeah, affiliate. It's a $50 for everyone who is under you. Okay, so that's the wonderful part. Yeah, a home-based business, $100 per sale, and earn unlimited $50 bonuses on all customer sales. So everyone that comes in under you is automatically a customer. You get everything necessary that you need. This blasts out a huge campaign to over 250,000 people, I believe. Yeah, 250,000 prospects. Now, one of the good things too is you can also get bonus advertising eventually. So say for instance, you decided to come in and do this and be on my team. Besides me actually helping you and promoting this, you would also be able to, say for instance, get a blast of say 1 million people a month, and it's about $200 a month. Well, you take that $200 and you get back 20 checks of $100. Well, that's $2,000. So see, all this really comes down to is it's just cash arbitrage. If you're willing to put some money up front to start, and I think it's actually $297, then you actually get, in that initial spot, you get the $250,000 ad campaign, and they'll do it all for you. And we'll show you in detail in the link in the description below. Once my mentor takes you through all the process, it's really cut and dry. It's really simple. And all you really have to do is think, okay, how much money am I going to put into it this month? Because I just got 10 checks this month for $100 a piece, and maybe a couple of $50 checks from affiliates that are under you that actually made sales as well. So what is that? $1,200? And I just, okay, I'm going to take another $200 of that $1,200 and put it back into advertising. And you just do it with this company, and you do it over and over and over. And they will tell you this in this video right here once you click on the link in the description below and you start going through the little simple process that we have for you. But I am so optimistic because of especially the monies and the checks that I've seen coming in so far. So click on the link in the description below. It's real simple. It's free to actually check out because you're crazy if you don't check it out. And this is a digital asset. I would not bring anything to you to be a part of Erik Burton's team that is not going to be profitable. Okay, so click on the link in the description below, and I hope to speak with you soon.